Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen of death on your iPhone 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or even any iPhone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started now. Very first thing you need to check out is making sure your phone is actually charging. If it's completely dead like this, you want to use maybe a different charger. Sometimes a charger cable or even the block may go bad, so you may consider switching it out and making sure you're charging at least half hour, and make sure the charge port is not blocked with a case. Sometimes there's dust, lint, or other things that can block the charge port, so you may be putting in the charger, it's not actually making a connection or charging. Now additionally, the iPhone 15 Plus, you can actually do a wireless charging. If you have a wireless charger, just let it charge for at least half hour or so to make sure that it's actually charge before trying the next step, which is going to go ahead and really fix your phone. Which you're going to do is, in this sequence, you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, one after another, and then hold down this big side button until you can get to see the Apple logo on the screen. So what I do is I quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button just like that, and we wait until we see the Apple logo and we let go. And this is known as a forced restart, which will restart the phone without deleting any of your data, and a quick way to fix it if it's completely black, as long as the phone was able to charge. That's why it's important before that you make sure it's charged. If it doesn't work for the very first time, you want to go ahead and keep on trying it. Sometimes it takes a few tries, as many tries as you need to, but eventually it will work. Again, keep in mind you're quickly pressing and releasing volume up or volume down, and then holding down this side button until you can see the Apple logo, and after that you should be in business. And I hope this video helped you fix your phone. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.